awards, but especially for women. And I will definitely have to justify, at least if I am allowed to do so at the end. But here is Dr. Evelyn Ramford from Springer Nature to tell us about that and to announce the winners.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor today, on behalf of Springer Nature, to present the Springer Nature and NANOSMAT Women in Science Award. And I won't be too long, but what I should mention, it's the first time the company is presenting this award on the planet. We have a Nature Award, but not a Springer Nature Women in Science Award. And we would really like to thank Professor Maser for collaborating to come up with this idea to honor a woman. And we will read out the name of the award in a moment, but this very talented lady will not only receive a trophy, but she will also get access to the materials and nano prestigious databases for 1 year and an exclusive book voucher. So I would like to announce the Springer Nature and NANOSMAT Women in Science Award, Jamshidi Nazinen. Our next prize is the poster competition, and we have the first prize, which goes to Panya Panya. The second prize for the poster competition goes to Linneo Makasa, if I pronounce. For the poster prize.
The future is female.
Yes, of course you can.